Candid. New trends in social studies. 3.
Planet Earth. Earth is a home of all living beings. Out of all the planets, there is life only on the Earth. It is the only planet having air and water needed for the survival of living beings and the plants. That is what makes it a special planet. The heat and light that it gets from the sun are also very suitable for living beings. It is neither too hot like Venus nor too cold like Neptune. Long ago, people believed that Earth was flat like a disc or a coin. If they traveled in a ship too far, they might reach the end of the Earth and might fall off. It was Ferdinand Magellan who proved that the Earth was round like a ball and not flat like a coin. Today we know that Earth is round like an orange and is slightly flattened at the poles. The top and the bottom of the Earth are called poles. The North Pole is the top of the Earth and the South Pole is the bottom. Continents and oceans. The huge land masses on the surface of the Earth are called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica.
Oh, try again.